Let's learn how to check out if someone blocked you on Instagram. So welcome back to another app tutor video everyone. Have you ever wondered if someone has blocked you on Instagram? We'll walk you through the simple steps to help you determine if someone has blocked you. The process is the same for both iOS and Android devices, so just follow my steps. If we open up the Instagram app, it won't give us any notifications. You won't know if someone blocked you on Instagram if you don't look at the specific things which I am about to show you. What we can do is to click on the little magnifying glass in the bottom and then search for a specific Instagram account. If the account that you are looking for looks like this and you can see the photos and videos which they share, you can open their following or followers list and see their followers. Then that means that they didn't block you and everything is normal. So if you can see their posts and reels, that means that the specified account did not block you. However, if I exit Instagram and open my Photos app, you can see this screenshot which I took. If you go on someone's profile and it looks something like this, then this is a pretty good indication that you have been blocked. If it has a text like user not found and it says that it has no posts yet, then this means that you're probably blocked on Instagram. As you can see, this account has over 1,000 posts on it, but I have a message that it doesn't have any posts yet. That means that you are blocked. But maybe they've deleted their profile recently and that's why you see these messages, and maybe they didn't necessarily block you. What you can do is to ask someone, like a family member or a friend that's following that same account, to open their profile on their mobile phone and check the profile out. If it says that the profile hasn't got any posts, then maybe they've deleted their account. But if they open the profile and they can see the posts and everything, then that means that you are blocked. And that's how you can check if you are blocked on Instagram. If this video helped you out, then you can leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next video.